If the people, Mr. James Quayson, has been taken out of court due to one particular ruling, and the Attorney General has decided to proceed with a criminal prosecution in this particular matter, I only feel that the court, in its own wisdom, should allow for the man to have a free right per Article 55 of the 1992 Constitution, and I think even Section 16 of the People's Representation Act, to campaign freely and share his message.
You won by more than 3,000 votes in the 2020 elections.
Right.
Now, we are yet to see what becomes of this case at 12.
Right.
But what is the immediate steps taken by the NDC so that you can, have a campaign period that you are confident that you can really win the seat back?
In fact, in all campaigns I have gone to, in by-elections and what have you, these are one of the most discerning people I have met. Engaging them, you realize that the people know what they are about. And what they keep saying is that we did not hold their hands to vote for James Quayson on December 7th, 2020. They said they sat down, took a decision, and went to vote for him. And more than 3,000 people plus voted for him. So if we are coming back, probably we are only coming to remind them of what they did in 2020. And that if there should be 1,001 by elections and Assin North, they will always vote for Mr. James Quayson. Dr. Nkrumah was in prison when we voted for him, and he became the president of the Republic. Nelson Mandela was in prison when the people voted for him, and he became the president of the Republic. And so if they think that they can use the courts to frustrate the man in order that he's unable to sell his message, a chip compound he built for them is there. It will sell his message for him. The roads he constructed, he is there. It will sell his message for him. The bridges he constructed are there. They will sell his message for him. And so if this man is not even an Assin North to campaign in this particular election, the projects and achievements and the goodwill he has instilled in that constituency would naturally and automatically campaign for him. And so I would be here. I would be back here on the 28th of this month. I hope to meet you in suit again, this time in a white suit, rejoicing with us that the people have voted against injustice, and the people have voted against oppressors' rule, and the people have demonstrated that even God in heaven, in our holy books, respects the will of the people. And that is why God says the voice of the people is the voice of the Lord.